जेडीयू सांसद संजय कुमार झा के नेतृत्व में सर्वदलीय प्रतिनिधिमंडल ने मलेशिया के कुआलालंपुर में भारतीय समुदाय के लोगों के साथ बातचीत में भाग लिया। इस दौरान प्रतिनिधिमंडल में शामिल कांग्रेस नेता सलमान खुर्शीद ने दुनिया को एक साहसिक संदेश दे दिया।
We are here combined on one issue, and whatever news you may get from India, you get from what is happening every day in India, that's part of the everyday life of India, the politics of everyday life of India. But we rise above that politics when we come to serve the nation. People, when they go to war, to protect the country, to protect the borders of our country, they go there as essentially as Indians. They have their faiths, they have their languages, they have their cultures, they have their subcultures. But when they are at the border, they have only one sentiment, and that is sentiment to protect Mother India. And that's the sentiment, if you allow me, that we come here. So we often address each other as brothers and sisters. In public life, you often do that, brothers and sisters. But when we say we are here, brothers and sisters, we say so because we come here as children of India, and children of Mother India come here to speak on her behalf and to communicate and convey to all friendly countries what our pain is today. Our pain is, and we've just paid tribute to those who were lost in the terrible attack that happened in Pahalgam. That pain must end. It must end for the country, it must end for our brothers and sisters, and it must end for our people. And this is something which only we don't suffer, but the whole world suffers. So in the voice and the cry to put an end to this pain, we are actually speaking up for humanity. We are speaking up for the whole world. And what are we saying? We are simply saying, you live your life and you let us live our life. Our life, which we happen to believe will take us to greater tomorrow, greater movements, greater opportunity for our children. That life is tried to be disrupted by somebody who perhaps doesn't have the vision, perhaps doesn't have the sense to see that their children could also be better off if they adopted different measures in their life. But we are encouraged today that with one voice India is saying, terrorism no more. We will tolerate terrorism no more. Now this has to be understood. But for us, the job that is done by our soldiers and our military men and all those profound leaders who deal with those strategic matters is a matter of confidence that they will take us to the right destination. But for us, what we need to do, with all of you and us together here, what we need to do is to ensure that our message carries to every person who matters in countries that we are visiting. And we hope to create, and my colleague here, Apajita ji, has used the term Janmat, right? Or a Janmat. She's several times said, let us have a Janmat in the world against terrorism. And that cannot be a better Janmat than that, to be fighting terrorism and to make the world and the globe peaceful and prosperous. That's the message that we have come